Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something designers, architects, and DIY home enthusiasts are always on the hunt for: a free floor plan creator that's powerful and easy to use. Yep, I'm talking about Foyr Neo. So, if you've been looking for a tool that makes creating floor plans a breeze without breaking the bank, Foyr Neo is exactly what you need. It's designed to help you create professional-level floor plans without needing a bunch of fancy software or technical skills. And the best part? It's free to try. Let's take a look at why Foyr Neo is a favorite among designers and homeowners alike. First off, it's super intuitive. You can jump right in, start with an empty space, and start laying out walls, doors, and windows in seconds. No need for a learning curve here. Foyr Neo was built with ease of use in mind. With its drag-and-drop functionality, placing furniture, decor, and even wall colors is effortless. You can create a space that reflects your vision without spending hours just trying to make the software work. Trust me, once you start, you won't want to stop. One of the coolest parts? You have complete creative control. Foyr Neo offers thousands of furniture pieces, finishes, and decor options, so you're never limited in style. And if you want a real feel for the space, the 3D visualization lets you see how everything will look, true to life. You're not just looking at a floor plan, you're creating a living, breathing design. Once you're happy with the floor plan, Foyr Neo lets you easily export your design in high-quality formats. You can save it, share it with clients, or print it for reference. So, whether you're working on a personal project or with a client, you've got options. And the best part? You can try it all out for free. That's right, no upfront costs. Foyr Neo offers a 14-day free trial that lets you explore the tool and get hands-on with your designs. It's perfect if you want to experiment or even build out a full project before committing. So, if you're ready to bring your floor plans to life with a tool that's both powerful and free, head over to foyr.com. Trust me, it's going to change the way you think about floor planning. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design tips, and drop a comment below if you've tried Foyr Neo. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, happy designing!